So dear students, we were on measuring the angle with protractor. So I have taken it. This is a protractor. Okay, this is a baseline, sleeping line. This is a center point, and we have two scales to measure the angle, inner scale and outer scale. Okay, when do we use inner scale and when do we use outer scale? It is very clearly given here. If the baseline is to the right of the vertex, we read the inner circle. So I will show it with the help of some questions. So come to exercise 9.1, page number 122. Put today's date. These three questions will be done in the book only, and this much for this exercise. Number 1, name the angle shown below symbolically. So students, look at this. This is 90 degree. Standing lines, sleeping line, vertical and horizontal line, right? This is 90 degree. You will write here right angle, and then whichever angle is less than 90 degree, like this. This is 90 degree and this is less than, ABC is less than 90 degree. You will write it acute angle. This opening is more than 90 degree. You will write obtuse angle. So question number 2, measure the following angles using a protractor. So you will measure it. I will show you in question number 3 how to measure. Classify the angles in acute, right, obtuse or straight. So this is acute, obtuse, straight, right, acute, right? Third question, measure the following angles using a protractor. The circle one I am going to show you. So first you will keep the baseline on the baseline, vertex on the center of the center point. So here I have kept, and look at this, the line is showing 65. It is 70 degree. So you will write 70 degree. Okay, you will match the line, your arm with these lines. Then students, when the baseline was towards right hand side, we used inner circle, and when it is outer side, when it is on the left hand side, see the baseline is on the left hand side, arrow is on the left hand side, we will use outer scale. So keep the center on the vertex and measure. This is 130 degrees. See, it is matching here, 130 degree. Similarly, you will measure others. Next topic, page number 125, types of symmetry. Reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry is like this, like an object is given to you and then it is flipped, turn कर दिया जाता है to get an image. So you can see CNR has reflection symmetry. Okay, and it has mirror line. Next page, we have rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry, the fixed point around which a figure is rotated is called center of rotation. So here rotational symmetry, we just rotate the object, same object from on the center of rotation. You can see this flower is just rotated, the center of rotation is same. Only look at the dot, it has moved to the next point. The star, the dot has moved to the next one. So we have rotated, okay, at the center of rotation. Okay, next moving to our exercise. Question number 1, which of the following figures are symmetrical? Symmetrical means it can be half into two, it can be divided into two equal parts. So look at this tea and flower, they are symmetry. Question number 2, draw the line of symmetry in the following figures. So they are drawn with a dotted line using scale. So I have drawn X, these 4. Look at them and just check whether they divide the object into two parts. Question number 3, check whether the following letters of English alphabets are symmetrical or not. If they are folded into two equal parts, then they are symmetrical. So you will do it yourself. You can just draw symmetrical lines also. There may be more than one. Question number 4, which of the line drawn in the given figures are correct line of symmetry? So students, you can see we can divide this heart with LM line of symmetry, but not PQ. So it is not. Similarly, if you look at each of the line of symmetry, when you will fold it, will it make an equal image? So only this is the correct one, has got all the lines perfect symmetry. Question number 5, complete the following figures to create a 2D geometrical shape. So see, A is done with me. So whatever you have done left side, the same you will do right hand side. Okay. Next is draw the reflection of the following figure. So 6 I have done. You will draw this reflection same way, like mirror image. Number 7, complete the table given below by drawing the shapes after rotating them. So quarter turn is you just move it this way. Okay. Half turn is you will place it opposite this way. Look at the dot, it has moved right hand side and then down, half turn. And full turn is same image. Okay, completely. 8th question, write whether the following shapes have been reflected or rotated. Students, main thing is, if you keep first object to the other, it will be one on other. So अगर मैं ये वाला एरो इसके ऊपर रख देती हूँ, will it match? Yes. So it is reflected. Will it, अगर मैं इसको फोल्ड कर दूँ, येलो ग्रीन रेड को मैं अगर इनके ऊपर फोल्ड कर दूँ, क्या सेम कलर फोल्ड होगा? Yes. So it is reflected. But here it will be not same. Okay, ये वाला पोर्शन आपका एक्स्ट्रा होगा यहाँ पे. So it is rotated. Same way, अगर आप पहली इमेज को दूसरी इमेज के ऊपर रखते हो और वो एक ही इमेज बन जाती है, देन इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टेड, लाइक योर हैंड्स. बट इफ़ दे आर नॉट सेम, आफ्टर कीपिंग वन ऑन अदर, then it is rotated. So dear children, your homework is complete. Page number 83, just write the formula. Page number 122, 128, 129 in the book only. Have a nice day. God bless you all.